Hey, so this tutorial is going to be more so for parents and students if you haven't been in Google Classroom before, and how to get in and set up and everything. So you're going to come on to your regular Google browser, and you're going to put in classroom.google.com and switch over to my other profile here. All right, so when you get in, it'll pull up something like this. You need to make sure you're on the right account. I've had lots of messages today saying, oh, I had classes there all year and now they're gone, or the join code isn't working. And that's typically because we're on a personal account and not a school account. You have to use your education account in order for Google Classroom to work. So just make sure that you are on that correct account. Pick the one that you want, whatever your school email account is, and then you're going to click continue. If you are a student, you need to pick student. If you're a teacher, you need to pick teacher. Sometimes teachers, they'll have us sign up for classes as for ourselves, but you need to still make sure you sign up as a teacher, because if you don't, then you're given student permissions and you have to contact your technology department to get those things fixed out. So if you're a student, pick student. If you are a teacher, pick teacher. If you're a teacher, you can have both roles, but you need to pick teacher your very first time. So this is a student, so we're picking I'm a student. And your teacher may have invited you to join a class, like I've invited the student to join a class. So if that's the case, just click join and you're good. You're ready to go. If that's not the case, then you are going to, on your dashboard, come up to this plus sign and you're going to type the code in for the class you want to join. So I'm going to grab a code for one of my classes real quick. We're going to click join. So you put that code in, you click join, and you should be in. Okay. So that is it. I'll come back and do a more in-depth breakdown of Google Classroom for students and parents in just a little bit.